What's up, guys? Time for Mobile here today, and as you can see on screen right now, we got Hello Neighbor up in here. I doubt that many of you remember, but I did a video on the Hello Neighbor, not prequel. I mean, like the very first part of it, But since then, I bought the full version. So what we're going to be doing today is new game. We're going to be starting at the very beginning, trying to, do it. So if you did not see the video of me completing the training mode, that's what it was. The training mode, you can go check that out. Alright, skip that. We've already seen it. It's just me, a little kid with asthma, going to chase my beach ball. Simming! I assume that means missing. Because whatever this language is, it's like, the letters are just, I don't remember, I think I figured it out, but because toothpaste was toothsafe. So it has, the letters are rearranged or something. So, assuming this is the same, I already know what to do and how to do it, and everything. So, oh, there's neighbor, actually. So, I'm going to bean him in the face, if I can, with this. Ah, he turned the corner. Alright, well, we're just gonna chuck that then. This kid has one heck of an arm, let me tell you that. And he's got some major hops as well, look at that. The finesse, I mean, come on now. So what I am doing is I'm running over here to get in the window. For whatever reason, a beach ball breaks glass. I don't really understand that at all. And you gotta yeet yourself through that little hole. This is the car key, if I remember correctly. May as well unlock that door. And he cannot get up here because of that, the secret wall. So I'm not gonna open that because that would give him access to up here, which is the opposite of what I want to do. So, well, he saw me. I don't know where he is. There he is. Let's take the key. What do I even have to do with the magnet? I can't remember. Yoink it at him. Oh, headshot! Got him! My beach ball's all the way back here. I don't know whether he's actually chasing me. Yeah, he's definitely chasing me. Never mind, because he doesn't see me. Oh, crap. Probably heard that, though. Or not. So, then you gotta climb your way up here. And then use the magneto. Oh, crap. Where is he? Move, 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 move. I swear I heard his so that's why I started freaking out. Flying grab, got it. So this is a lockpick, and we do not further need that magnet. I'm just gonna try to chuck it up in that hole. I don't know if I'm whoa. Resume, please. Oh, I thought I saw him for a second. So there are... Uh-oh. Well, I was not aware that he was there. So, hey neighbor. If you don't mind, I'm just going to run inside your house real fast. Hopefully he won't see this time. Yoinky yoink. Grab the wrenchy wrench. Let's actually bolt through the front door. Whoa! He was right there. I didn't see that. So, a trick that I like to do is I'm gonna run down to the end of the street. Hopefully this works, because sometimes it doesn't. I don't know. Oh, I did land in the glue. Alright. So what I do sometimes is I just... If I time it right, he just stops. Yep, I did it right. He just stops and then just walks all the way back and gives me tons of free time. So, I used to be able to speedrun this whole, not the whole game, but like the whole trial mode in like literally 5 minutes or less. So it's been about 6 minutes and I already have the red key. So move, excuse me. Alright, yeah, I don't like that the windows always like replace every time you... Is he finally back? Neighbor. Neighbor. I'm gonna throw a lawnmower inside your house. How do you feel? Dude, he literally just saw me and just ran inside his house. What are you doing, bro? Crap, where is he? Alright. I'm gonna bean you with a lawnmower. I'm gonna run inside your house while you're on the ground. Hopefully I can do this fast enough. Yoink, and we got it. So, I'm not sure if this is considered Act 2 or not. Hopefully not, because if it is, I already know what to do. Because I cheat, kind of. Technically it's cheating because you're not supposed to do what I do, but I do it anyway because it's a lot easier and faster. So, you can just yoink through here. And then, yes, the boxes are here. So, all you have to do is grab all 4 boxes. Well, not all of them, but there's 4 boxes. Just take 4 of them. You yoink that. Then you just run down this hall. That mannequin has freaked the crap out of me before. Like, I actually just screamed and, like, fell down. So, to ensure 100% safety, you gotta... I hate this. This one doesn't like to open. There it is. So, to ensure proper safety, what you want to do is... If I can get it. There we go. Close it and run inside. So you have to drop that so you can move the chair. And you gotta... Whoa, excuse me, door. And then you gotta bust through the fake brick wall. Whoa, that disoriented me a lot. Where? That disoriented me so bad. Okay, that creaky gate sound kind of freaked me out, not gonna lie. So without further ado, I can yeet over there. Flip that. That is actually kind of freaking me out. For a second, I thought that sound meant he was like using brute. Actually, I'm gonna do something funny here. There's something funny you can do. You take one of these, you just run in here. He's right behind you, which makes no sense if you think about it, because there was no possible way for him to get to where I was. So, you run through here. Basically, all that's is a door with like 4 different locks on it. You see, and what I do is I like to turn around and yoink. So, technically, if you brought keys with you and stuff, yeah, but he cannot actually get me until I move that, which I think is kind of funny. But because I want to keep this moving along, I'm going to let him get me. I was about to say, like, bro. So, we did that in about 9.5 minutes. No sweat. So that's the easy part. But I'm pretty sure that's just Act 1. So, I don't know what's to come after that. Because what I just did, that's the trial mode, like, all that. So yes, this is Act 2. So now, we wake up here, and I'm going to try to beat Act 2 in this video. Oh, I'm missing a shoe. That's nice. Where am I supposed to... Oh, the door. It's locked. How am I... Freak. How am I supposed to get out of here? If I don't. What is going on? How am I supposed to get out of here if the door's locked? Oh. Oh. Okay. I'm very confused right now. let's go on an adventure. It's supposed to go this way. I'm really confused right now. I've never done this before, so... Oh, climb into the light. That makes sense. That's how you know you're dead. JK. So, yep, we were in the basement. Alright, I know somewhat what to do from here. So now the neighbor just built all these whack fences. We got ourselves some binoculars, which honestly don't really come in that handy. So yeah, his house has a major upgrade. So how we actually get out of here is we once again have to use the red key, in which I have no idea how to get the red key. So I'm just going around the property, because what I do remember is there's a certain place. My arms are just shaking like crazy, man. I cannot sit like that anymore. Alright, let's do this. There we go. So, gotta go around the property, find where the red lock actually is. See, there's a power cord from inside the house. Excuse me, to over here. Excuse me again. In which, again, I have no idea what this does. But see, his house... Oh, hey, neighbor. Neighbor the baby. But, yeah, I don't actually know. I feel like he's faster for some reason. But, he has very bad aim. How about we just yoink up this ladder? Is that a thing? Oh, well, he's chasing me. That's neat. So what's this? Quickly. Briskly, briskly. What kind of hops does the neighbor have? Can he get me from here? Oh, yes, he can. Oh, boy, yes, he can. Oh, goody, goody. Get up the stupid ladder. You little nincompoop. Alright. That is some kind of pressure gauge. I'm gonna give the neighbor the jukes if this will actually work this time. So, alright. I just realized that actually did nothing. So, we need a crowbar, probably. So we're gonna need that one way or another. He just has a pair of shoes laying outside, which, for my convenience... Oh, well... I'm gonna have to bean him with one of these shoes. Oh, he just yeeted right out of his window. Oh, what? That shoe just went through his face. That was not appreciated, Mr. Neighbor. Let's actually run inside his house, see if we can go somewhere. His house is not that big. Yeah, he saw me. I'm dead. So... Woo-hoo-hoo! We have a scoppet for now. Which, honestly, I'm still not happy with this. Oh. Yep, he set up a security camera literally right outside where I'm, so... Now, he will be signaling every time that I'm right here, so... Oh, well, hey neighbor. Yeah, I ran into a wall. Probably not the smart strategy. Okay, so apparently, every time you get caught, you start back down there, which is cool. So, let's think of what we have to do here. What is this? Can I scale it? I doubt it. No. But what even is that, though? It looks like I need to flip that, so... I don't know what that is either, but we're gonna get up there. Looks like we need a wrench for that. What is... Oh, that's just a pole holding up the whole roof. So... Please, neighbor, don't come outside, because if you do, I'm gonna be mad at you. Sounds like he's sleeping right now, to my convenience. You freaking freaks. Kid, you're so fast, and I don't want to say I don't like it, because I kind of do. But, you gotta stop doing that, bro. Alright, let's try a different tactic this time. Oh, that didn't work, but at the same time it did. What's this? What's that? Oh, I actually know what that is, but I don't know how to get the thing that I need to do it. Bruh, I've only got 4 toes. Oh, wait a minute. It's right there. I'm retarded. Wait a minute. No, that's what I was just doing. I'm even more retarded, guys. See, at this point, I feel like what I have to do is go inside the neighbor's house, which is kind of the last thing I wanted to do. He's out here looking for me. Oh, he's not in the kitchen. Oh, he's up there. What are you doing? You stupid butt cheek. You know, if it would just let me actually climb the ladder, that'd be pretty helpful. Oh, the time of day is changing. I didn't even notice that. Well, this is just a fine how do you do. To skip. Oh, because you can skip the night, I'm assuming. I should have clicked that faster. Because I would very much love to skip the night. I have a big brain. What the heck? I was gonna say that I have a big brain, and that I would just, you know, oh, he's coming out now. He somehow saw me. Alright. I'm going to run inside his house and search for something. Okay, that's locked. Very okay. Flashlight. I have a trick. Let's take this. Put it there. You can actually break through that. Why is that locked? There's something in the fridge? What is that? Oh, that's the wrench! Why the heck do you have a wrench in your fridge? I think he's coming for me now. Oh, he's already inside, so I have no idea how he got inside. Hopefully I still have everything I had before. I do! Let's go. Did I? No. Okay. First off, let's shut off the power. Hopefully that won't come back to bite me. But I'm pretty sure when you shut off the power, he knows. Okay, so he was just out in his yard for no apparent reason. Stop throwing tomatoes at me, brother. Alright, so we're just gonna yoink. Hopefully we don't need the wrench for anything else, because I'm gonna throw it at him. Oh, never mind. Never mind. I just dropped it at him. Shine the light in your face, sweet. Oh, that doesn't affect you? Okay. Well, this is going pretty terribly. So, I'm using my big brain to figure stuff out, though. I need to go this way, actually. So, we have access to... Oh, I was gonna say... we don't really need the flashlight, do we? Not really. What's that? Nothing. Alright. Dude, you need to figure out a better stair system. What is that? What the freak? Bruh. Why do you have a swimming pool in the upstairs of your house? That is unusual, to say the least. Now, from when I actually remember playing, like, watching people play this game, you actually need this gramophone for something, but I just don't remember what, or, like, when I'm going to need it. Alright, that door's apparently locked, so... And also, there's a cool thing that I remember you can do with, like, party hats, but that's not even a party hat, so... Now, somehow... Oh, yeah. using that draining system, you're somehow able... I wonder if you can, like, land on that and... No, there's no way. Ooh. That looked kind of like a robot, honestly. So, what again is there here? Is there any other doors in here? Yep, that's locked. So, we may as well go back down then. Oh my goodness. Please tell me where I am. Alright. Hopefully the neighbor is nowhere around here. So that's one place we unlocked. Alright. There's nothing on there, I don't think. What I'm looking for is a red spinny wheel in which I can like turn some of these different valves and crap. Because like if I had a valve spinner wheel thingamajigger, I would spin that. But I have no clue where the spinner wheel is. So therefore I have a problem. Because really there's nothing much I can do. But I mean honestly, there must be something else inside his house that I need. Oh, hey bud. How's your day going? You don't like random kids walking in your house? Well, I don't like you. So, let's play a Ring Around the Rosie. Why not? Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought. I just gave that neighbor that. I gave thy neighbor thy juice. Let's run inside his house. Let's accomplish going somewhere this time. Okay, never mind.
Yes, what is it?
Let's hide in the corner.
My name is Ellison.
That sounds like a good idea. What the freak? He just threw a tomato at me through the wall.
Yes, what is it?
What? Did you just yeet through thy own window again? What are you doing?
I am rather busy.
Where? Oh, he set up another security camera. Great. You know how much I love security cameras. So I think what we about to do is we're going to make a dash for the front door. Never mind, we're not going to make a dash. We're going to explore thy yard. Because that looks like... Well, I did something. I flipped a thingamajigger, which, again, I have no idea what that did. So... Glub, yikes. Yikes. Is this like another nightmare thing type thing? Am I supposed to go in here? What is this? Must I ride in? Oh my. This is kind of cool. Must I ride in this? This is scary. Hopefully there are no jump scares, because I hate jump scares. We're just gonna plow through the table already? Apparently. Yeah, this is where it's probably gonna get scary. Who's crying? Is that the neighbor? Neighbor crying? What you crying at, bro? Why are you crying, neighbor? You know, I love roller coasters, but let's be honest here. What the freak is going on? Something like right when I come down here, like, oh, there's a person here. Well, hey girl, it's probably not the... Not sure what that was supposed to represent. Because to me, it kind of looked like we just shoved the girl into a grave. which has a pretty negative connotation if you ask me. But we got some noculars, a pano fry. And he's boarding up more windows, it looks like. In which, hold on, can you flip this too? That sounds like it's doing something with water. In which, maybe drained the shark pool, maybe? Like the one I did inside his house, too. Well, that's an interesting theory, actually, so let's go check that out. Nope, he still has water. So, maybe it's because maybe he, like, flipped it back or something. Alright. Well, you know what, actually, guys, I think this is a pretty good place to stop. After the nightmare, you know, we haven't really figured much of anything out yet, but I will be continuing this series. I thought I was about to burp, but then nothing came, so. There it is, never mind. Alright, excuse me, manners. But anyway, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a big ol' thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tap that notification bell. And that will notify you when all my new videos come out. Again, thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Peace.